Awesome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to tonight's session. The Millionaire Club's team, 10cc supervisor in 30 days training. So, my leaders, this business, Ikalakwa supervisor. This is where it starts, supervisor level. It's all about joining and becoming a supervisor as quick as possible, learning the activities that can help you get to supervisor as quick as possible. Because if you can become a supervisor in our business, you can achieve any level. Because as soon as you achieve supervisor level, your job and responsibility is to develop other supervisors. So if you learn the activities that help you achieve to produce the volume that put you on the supervisor level, that means you can teach the next person to also generate the same kind of production, produce the same volume that made you a supervisor. If they produce the same volume of 10 cc's, they'll also become a supervisor. Because when you become a supervisor, after buying your starter journey, becoming an assistant supervisor, you learn the activities that generate cc's, which is using the products, retailing the products for profit, recruiting to build a team. Only those three activities generate cash credits in our business. So if you knew how to generate those cc's that gave you a volume of 10 cc's, you became a supervisor, you'll be able to train someone else to achieve the same result you have achieved because you have done it. So that is why I said earlier before I started the recordings that the tonight's training, if you can master tonight's training, it will help you to go out, build a business that will make you a supervisor. From supervisor, take you straight to manager and help you to produce more managers. And it will help you to qualify for all the incentives. You'll go for Eagle Manager, Forever to Drive, Global Rally, Chairman's Bonus, Level Up, even our GEM Bonus and GLT status. You'll qualify all of them if you master tonight's training. It is that important. I'm telling you, you'll see that you will wish you had everyone in your team in tonight's session, because what we are going to teach you is what everyone needs to know to build a successful business and become a top performing leader who's six-figure income earner. Actually, not just six-figure plus income earner. That's our goal, to produce top performing leaders who are six-figure income earners in our team. So 10cc supervisor in 30 days, only 10cc, only 1 month, and anyone can do it. So we build leaders, we create results. So diamonds, give yourself a big 5 in the comment section. 5 and number 5 in the comment section that you are in tonight's session. So let's get going. Let's see who is with me. Thank you, Sister Zuma, for the 5. Thank you so much, our Sophie, for the 5. And thanks, Ntatem Pashele. Thanks, Robert. Thanks, Mary Berger. Thanks, Lerato. Also, Lerato, thank you so much. And Elvis, thank you. Juliet, thank you so much. Mr. Hodi, thank you. I hope I saw everyone becoming so thick and fast. Ausnare, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Awesome stuff. Thelma, thank you. Robert, thank you so much. Awesome stuff. So we are all together. Komu, thank you. So let's move on. So I move to the second slide. If you can see my slide, show by hand, say yes in the comment section that my slides have changed to daily activities. If my slides are on daily activities, please let me know. This is the new features of Zoom. You can do the entire presentation thinking your slides are moving when the other side people are not seeing your slides have frozen, they're not moving, but on your side they're actually moving. So okay, yes, they're moving. Thanks, Lindy. Thank you so much, Lindy Way. Thanks, Nokbonga. Right. These are the daily activities that will guarantee success in the business. So our aim is to achieve 10 CCs in 30 days. And you saw yesterday, those that were at Success Day, that the 4cc pin is no longer there. The 5cc pin is no longer there. Now we have a 10cc pin. Only those that achieve 10cc for straight 3 consecutive months were recognized at the Success Day. They received their 10cc for 3 months gold pins. So they only recognize 10 cc's, but those that did 10 cc personal. So this tells you that this 10 cc is doable. If people can do it by themselves, becoming a supervisor, you don't have to do it by yourself. It includes what you do personally towards your 4cc, still have to achieve your 4cc, plus all the case credits that come through your team. They count towards your 10cc that will move you up to the supervisor level. So ungakhathazeki, akudingeki ukuze iphume kuwe yonke i-10cc. Lebe irecognizwa izolo estage yalaba bona iyenziwe wuye personally lo 10cc. Wayenza ama-10cc for 3 consecutive months. That's why bathole lama gold pin wabo we 10cc for 3 consecutive months. I-gold pin 10cc 3 consecutive months. But this one is supervisor. Ibuya kuwe neteam yakho yonke. So if you are recruiting, there's no reason why you shouldn't become a supervisor. Because if you sign someone who start your journey, umuntu bakajoyina nge-start your journey, uthola i-2cc yena ngokuthenga i-box lakhe, now uthola i-10cc ngo-2cc ngokuthi umjoyinisile. That 2cc counter towards your 4cc, it be counter towards the overall total edingakalayo by month end, to reach your 10cc, ube a supervisor. That means if, let's say, kule nyanga ujoyine kuye wajoyinisa abantu abawu-4, kune 2cc yakho yokuthi ujoyinile, ne 2cc per person omjoyinisile is 8cc ngoba ujoyinise abantu bayi-4. So it's 10cc ngenyanga yakho yokuqala ebhizinisini, and automatically became a supervisor. So uyayibona ukuthi le ndaba ye-supervisor ilula kanjani, because wuwe and everyone else in your team, they count towards that 10cc for level move up. So this is very, very, very important to understand and to train. I know some of you here are supervisors, some of you are managers, but ukuthi we understand ukhona nokuyifundisa yiko okubaluleke ngendlela esimangaliso. So because lana we learn, apply and teach. You don't have to wait. Learn, apply and teach. Very important. Ukuthi lokho okufundayo ukudlulisela phansi etimini yakho. Kuti ukhule nayo. Kungakho masiya ku Success Day, checka ukuthi bayingaki abantu bakho basetimini yakho abakhona lapha ku Success Day. Masiya ku training, checka bayingaki. Nje sila kule Zoom, checka ukuthi team yakho ingakanani. Abangeke bathumelele futhi i-link yokujoyina. Bakhona bazojoyina, bakhona angeke bajoyina, but wena uyenzile umsebenzi wakho. So your job is to learn, apply and teach. You learn, apply and teach. People who achieve big things for forever is those that are teachers, abafundisayo, who are able to duplicate themselves. So these are the activities as the results that you are looking for. 10 conversations per day. Please take a screen grab so that you can keep reminding yourself. 30 screen grab, then ubenayo, because of social media, 10 conversations per day is nothing these days. Because if ungatala ingxoxo in the inboxes nabantu about 10, abanye can be phone calls, abanye can be their inbox, abanye ama reply, obabonile someone watch your status. Was sihlele phezu kwe gold mine ku status set. Kunabantu ababheka ama status wakho. daily. But you never start any conversation with them. But we are born basolok bayak-follower, basolok babheka ama-status wakho every day. Gold mine, that's where your customers are. That's where your team members are. Ama-downline wakho akulabantu ababheka lama-status. Umuntu abaphindelela ababheka your status njalo. You can see ukuthi this person actually bahlala balinde ama-status wami. Because each time, there's no way we check abantu ababheka ama-status igama lakhe lingaveli. And ngabona whether ufake 5 yama-videos, uthola ukuthi ubheke wonke lama-video or ama-pictures, ubheke wonke lama-pictures. Leyo is sign your interest. So, I have my notebook. It's not next to me. I have a notebook. Lang pala khona abantu ababheka ama-status wami repeatedly. Ama-prospect wami lapho. Ngiyababhala encwadini. There's this notebook. Kuna notebook yaka kamo. Check out a blank notebook because scrapbooks are notebook is a story more. The come there should be maybe my diary and another notebook. So that notebook yami ke ngikhuluma ngayo ngibhale all the names abantu ababheka ama-status wami. Always when I have time late nyana before, because every evening I post. Sometimes I share the same videos that I post to my status. I also share them in the team WhatsApp group. Please share status, and I know that I've shared that information at the share. So, okay, I thought maybe someone can help me, but I don't seem to be getting the help for that notebook. I didn't take it. It's not here. It's not next to me. I'm sure I left it on my camera, but no problem. So 10 new conversations per day. Utilize your status to your benefit. Always check. When you post the business about your products, about your business, or a testimonial on your status, always go and view. Check the views. Who checked your status? All those people that are not in the business, make sure that you pencil them down. Make a follow-up. If they need more information relating to what you just shared. But making brand new name list, status very, 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 very important, because you are missing out. That's a gold mine. They're showing interest. They're showing interest in your business. They're showing interest in the content that you share. Very, 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 very important. So if you can be in the habit of actually checking and making sure that you record, checking and record, and then do follow-up, start conversations with those people. You will get your 10. Oh, there we go. Let me just quickly see, open here. Thank you so much. But wait, there are many tools that we can use. Yes, in my notebook, you can see these are the people who are, I don't know whether you'll be able to see. I wrote there maybe status. Status, yeah, I wrote them, I titled them status prospects. I know my phone, which is clear, my camera and laptop is not that clear. So I list all of them. So far, I'm sitting on 58 people that are regular watchers. These are people who are not in the business, because some are my team members who watch my statuses. Some are people who are already in the business. But these ones that I put a pencil down, these are people who are not in the business. Some of them are my customers. Some of them are my prospects that I've already presented for. Some are just people that I know. So that are on my phone. They watch my statuses regularly. So I have 58 names and it's still growing. Each time I check, I always come up with 4 or 5 names of new people that are my regular viewers who status. Very important. Record those and start conversations with such people. Then do at least 3 product presentations. About your products. Present the benefits of products to 3 people per day. And then present the business to 3 people per day. Follow up. People that you have presented for in the past, about 3 who were interested in the business. Follow up 3 per day. And then follow up 3 customers. This is another gold mine, customers. People who bought products from us and then we don't check on them. Following up with your customers. Today, I went to the shops. And this lady works as a supervisor at our supermarket. She buys 2 gel. I just saw her, and then because she was busy assisting at the counters, doing her supervisor job, and I just waved at her, greeted her. That wave made her to say, "Una 2 gel," and then I left the 2 gel. She sent one of the employees in the shop with me, Mangwenye Motwin, and then to collect the 2 gel. I made a sale. I went to the shop, but I made a sale, 165 rand. And then follow up with at least 3 customers, 3 team members as well. Every day, speak to at least 3 people in your team. You that are in our team, you know that some of you get frequent phone calls or voice notes from me. If you have potential or you have a teachable attitude, you'll see that you occasionally get phone calls from me. You get updates, encouragements, voice calls or phone call or text messages. You need to be in contact with your key leaders in the business. Because new people, diamonds, there are people who attended the Success Day yesterday, but because we were calling them Nonkoskas, my wife and I were making phone calls, encouraging our downlines to attend. We know there are certain people that are not going to come unless we call them. It's not a good thing to wait to be called to attend, but we have leaders that even if they don't have any problems, it's just that they have a habit of not attending. So we don't call only those with a habit of not attending. We call you even if we know that you attend. We want to remind you, don't forget, you need to follow up your team. Did you check your downlines? Did you arrange transport? So I always say this to you leaders, Hori. Whatever you see us doing, whatever we do to you, is what you should do with your team. Copy and paste. That's how you learn leadership and taking responsibility for your team. And you want consistency in your team. Consistency in doing presentations, consistency in attending trainings, consistency in attending success days, consistency in attending Zoom presentations, trainings, and everything that we do online. You want consistency, because if we are consistent in the activities, the results will be consistent as well. They cannot be hit and miss, up and down. Yes, the business will never flow in straight line. There are ups and downs. But if you are consistent in your activities, you'll see that there will be up and down, but there will be growth. Yeah, the up and downs are there, but you're up and down while going up. That's the beauty about consistency. Then you ultimately achieve our goal, building leaders who are six-figure plus income earners. So that one is very, very, very important, my leaders. Very, 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 very important. That start 10 conversations per day. If you are not talking to anyone, your business is closed. We always say ku network marketing, if umlomo wakho uvaliwe nebusiness lakho livaliwe, you are only working if you are talking in our business. So 10 new conversation with new people per day, and then 3 product presentations per day, 3 business presentations per day, where uxoxela labo bantu ngebusiness weba recruit. 3 uxoxela labo ngama-product. 3 ilabantu bakuthembisa ukujoyina in the past, ubapresentele or ba-invitile ku-presentation on Zoom or live presentation. Now they are interested, they said join month end or join nini. You speak to such people, you make a follow-up, give them additional information, inviting them maybe to a success day, inviting them to, or maybe to the next presentation, so that they must keep warm. Ungamyeki attend your joining month end and your khuluma naye month end. Keep them updated to show, give them the sense that they are already in the business because they are getting updated about the developments in the business, about the activities in the business that are relevant to someone who's not yet the member. Maybe there's another presentation, maybe there's a story, success story that you want to share. Maybe your experience here is all at the success day. Some of them, you invited them, they didn't make it. Don't give up on them. Give them information of what happened yesterday. Give them a call. I'm just giving a call to share with you, wow, the exciting news of what took place. Could that event be people bathanda itori, they listen. And komunye, it will spark something in them that can make them to act faster and actually fulfill the promise and join. But mau presentela muntu excited umshiya for weeks and weeks. I think journey month end. Kungana any follow-up, kungana any additional information umthumela yona, and keeping the conversation going. They grow cold and even forget about what excited them in that presentation. So you need to keep the conversation going. Same with our customers. If you take umuntu and disappear, I'm telling you, lose a lot of money. People buy, but when you check them, you know, hey, they bought this last month. They don't, it's finished now. Like on the when you call them, even just asking, I just wanted to know how it is going with that product I sold to you. In most cases, they say, I was about to call you. It's so strange. People are very strange creatures. If you didn't call, they were not going to call you. But when you call, they say, I was about to call you. And they place the order, they buy. So if you don't, you are not in the habit of checking, maybe after a week of selling someone a product, to check how it is going, and then are they still, do they still remember how you advise them how to use the products? So some people give them instructions and they forget. Some buy products and open and only use it once and never follow up, never use it on a daily basis. When you call, say, and then remind them, you're not going to see the result if you're not consistent. You have to remember I said, take it daily, twice a day, or take it daily, 3 times a day, whatever product they are using and the instruction to use it. And then when they are consistent and following proper instructions, taking it according to instructions, they will see the results. When they get the results, they come back for more, and they'll tell others, and your customer base grows. Some of them will end up in the business as your team members. And again, with your key leaders, remember, you must always work with 5 key leaders. So with your key leaders, being consistent conversation, checking on them, reminding them certain activities that you agreed on. Very, very important, because we're doing presentations with these people. You know some of their prospects, you know some of their customers, you know some of their downlines. So always remind your people, your key people about their teams, about their customers, if you know some of their customers, about the prospects who promised to join, those that promised, maybe you were supporting them doing the presentation on their behalf, or you attended the presentation as a support structure, or just to give motivation, but you know that so-and-so said they want to join, or someone asked this question, or someone wanted this information additional to whatever you gave them. Check if they did send that additional information. Check if they did call the list, because we take a register. When you do presentation, we always ask all our attendees to record their names and their numbers. You want to check, did they call these people? They make follow up, because you might be doing presentations and Abantu are not called to check on them after the presentation. Follow-ups are, but in good network marketing, we said the fortune is in the follow-up. You need to follow up. If you don't follow up, you are missing out. So please, so far, if Nahamba Namen Yang understand, I can give me a number 6 in the group section. We are building now. We're building. Give me number 6 before I move. I want to move faster. We still have more ground to cover. Also, Fisagu, also Lerato, Tatempa Shele, and then Thelma away to Sister Zuma, Mam Skhodi. Thank you for all those 6. But for growth in your business, you need to focus on these 3 pillars of growth. The 3 pillars of growth is focus on your wellness. Start your day with alu. Start your day with supplements. Drink your alu every day. Have supplements that you take personally, consistently. I'm telling you, some people who are not or struggling in the business, they don't build their confidence about their products because they're not using it. People use the products daily. I'm telling you, they end up selling more products daily or consistently. Using the products, they give you something that people can see, but they using the product also build something internally in you. If you are consistently using the products, you'll see that you have this beautiful glowing skin, your energy level is higher, something that you can say, you have a product story, a testimonial that you can share with the next person. But going to sales is all storytelling. Sales is storytelling. So using a product use give you a product story to share with people. If you keep sharing the benefits of the product, you keep sharing the stories of people's experience with the product, I'm telling you, you'll sell a lot of products. So you'll have results that you can start talking about. Community. Recruiting. If you're not recruiting and building a team and creating your own community, diamonds, you get stuck in one place. You'll hear a lot about recruiting. You'll hear a lot about a team. This network marketing is a team-based business. You can't build it alone. You need a team. You have to build it with a team. It's not easy to build a team. We were at the managers' convention. In that managers' convention, the country sales manager founded a big deal on the issue of building a team, dynamics of building a team that will meet challenges as you build a team. You'll have team members who are not cooperating in the team. You'll have pride showing up in the team. People who are not listening to you. People who are not teachable. People who are not coachable. The sad part about this I'm talking from personal experience. The more gifted you are, the more you need to pay for the spirit of humbleness, spirit of humility. Because the more brighter you are, the more gifted you are, the more you know that you know, the more harder it is for you to listen to the next person. Because you always think you can do it better. But when it comes to network marketing, listening to your sponsor is very, very, very important. Listen to your upline, very, very, very important. The country sales manager, she spoke a lot about that on Friday. Listening to your sponsor, humbling yourself and listening and doing. Even if you feel maybe they are beneath you, respect them, listen to them. I'm telling you, in my team, this is my personal story now. I have people who could have been managers a long time ago, but their attitude is keeping them from moving because they stop listening. People who are gifted, you have to pray for spirit of humility, because you can get arrogant sometimes. I don't think they're even aware or they're arrogant. They don't listen, because when you talk, they're already planning the answer. They're not even listening to you properly because they're already planning the answer. They know it all. We're going to pray. Let's all, not just you, I'm including myself in this one. Let's pray for the spirit of humility. Respect the sponsor. Normally, joining is courtesy one, the business. It's your sponsor, it's your upline. Listen to them. I'm telling you, there are rewards for listening. You are going to win. There are people who are millionaires today by just listening to their sponsors and uplines. Because your sponsor and upline, they will never mislead you. Because when you win, they win. It's so important. When you win, they win. If you don't win, they will also, it will delay their win. It might not stop their win, because they will always recruit new people and still they get people who are teachable. But they can move faster by working with the people they have right now and have them win, than having to wait until you get someone new who will be cooperative. So it's in your sponsor's best interest that you win. That is why they will always give you the best information. So respecting your sponsor, listening to your sponsor, being teachable is what will help you to win faster in this business, even if you believe that you are more smarter than your sponsor. Very, very, very important. But wait, there are a lot of people who delay themselves because they don't listen to their sponsors. I have people who could have been managers a long time ago. They are stuck. They're still assistant supervisors. But they're stuck at supervisor because they don't listen to me anymore. And it pains me, because you see people who are less talented than them coming, listening to you, moving level quickly, becoming managers, and start building other leaders under them because they are listening. And that one who's highly talented is stuck, not moving, because they don't listen. Or else someone, they listen, you train them, they listen, and they get to a point and they become arrogant. You don't know what happened. They met a teacher on TikTok. Bakwethu, singahambi sithathe information yonke indawo. Yebo, ikhona information engakusiza uyithole ku-TikTok. Mara ingakuyenzi information uyithola ku-TikTok u-undermine i-sponsor sakho or-upline. Because lezi zinto abazifundisa kuma-TikTok, kune-info, there's behind the scenes that they don't share everything. They give you the top layer, but that top layer is supported by something that you don't get. So if you ignore what you are taught in your team, the systems in your team, where you get everything, even the behind the scenes, and then start trying to apply izinto ezenza amateam amanye, you find yourself stuck and no longer winning. You were moving, and all of a sudden you stop. No more results. But you were coming with results when you were still listening to your sponsor. And all of a sudden, you stop listening to your sponsor, your results disappeared. Ungaba ngathi uloyiwe so. Ungaze uthi uloyiwe. Kanti nix. Uziloye wena ngokungasamameli isponsor sakho or upline wakho. So bakwethu, ibaluleke ngendlela esimangaliso lento. and no country sales manager ukhulume ngayo kuma leader kubo manager, because iyenzeka nakubo manager futhi kubo manager we always say this kubo manager ndaza kakhulu uma umanager, ndaza kakhulu uthandazele the spirit of humility, because ma umanager uthi uyimanager nami ngimanager uzongitshelana hey bakwethu mamela isponsor sakho noma ningaba yimanager ngelanga eli1, they are your sponsor, they are upline. I'm telling you, they wish the best for you. They always should give you the best information that will help you win. So very important, my leaders. And then if you took care of the first two, you took care of wellness, you are easy product every day, you'll become the best of you in terms of your health, in terms of your beauty. And you build confidence about talking about your products, you'll sell more. And then it even helps you in your recruiting, in building your community. And then now you're recruiting, you're doing the activities, you're building a team. The finances are well taken care of. If you can take care of the two pillars, the third pillar of money, take care of itself. Where now you just need to learn how to manage the money. Because kunesikhathi la kwa business lakho forever, imali izoqala ingene ngathi amanzi. Mayibhilda kahle. Kuzofika la imali ingena phela manje kumele unwele manje ukuthi acquire knowledge yokuthi imali iphathwa kanjani. That is why ku-managers convention masiyabo Johannesburg basilethela ama aspects wemali azofundisa imali, because abo manager bayenza imali serious. Some are making millions. They always tell you it doesn't matter how much you make, what matters is how much you keep and get to invest so that that money can make you more money. If you total millions and spending all the millions, or even spending more than what you earn, you spend on a credit card, it doesn't help you. You're running a rat race. So it doesn't matter how much you earn. It matters how much you keep, how much you invest. That's what makes a difference. So become that top performing leader, which is a 6-figure income earner, who's excited about life. You're one of a manager by a smile, by a So, let's move on. Everything you want in our business, you produce a case credit. Everything you want good business lay to understand a case credit, then you understand a business like forever. Priorities a case credit, then you'll get everything. Kwamanje 12, check your back office. How many CCs do you have? So figure 2 CC, so figure 3 CC. If you're still sitting on 0, then your business is say in trouble. Your target for April are already in trouble. If May 12, we say with 0. That is why talk to the downlines, check your team. And each song is FLP 36. Check how many are still sitting on 0. Give them a phone call, send them a message. Ray, my diamond, I can see still on 0 CC. It's time that we pull up our socks, pull up your socks. Otherwise, you'll miss out on your April targets and miss out on your income, yaka April, and miss up on your move up, or miss up on qualifying for that incentive you are striving for. But wait, to cash credit, promo bonuses, promotions, forever to drive incentive, global rally incentive, Eagle manager, chairman's bonus, GLT status, level up, all are the products of cash credit. So you need to generate cash credit. Cash credit is money. Your bonus is cash credit. Those that did 0 CC last month, they'll get 0 CC, 0 rand. Cook account 15. So if you are not generating CCs on daily basis, my leaders, you are missing out. But forever, people who are generating CCs are making money. When you recognize 60 club is all until the end. 60 club, 100 club, 200 club. Definitely, those the Babama 200 club are less than 100K. From some of those 100K, 100 clubs, sorry. Some of them are already closer to 100K. Some are actually who have they have non-manager 100, plus they have lots of case credit that come through their manager legs. Banga pays 100,000 ke lapho, 6-figure income let's khuluma ngayo. Labo 200 non-manager CCs base bagijima kuma 200,000-300,000 rand per month ngama-bonus. So cash credit imali bakwethu. Focus kuma cash credit. I love this statement, Diamonds. This statement says, if you master the 4CC habit and you teach your team to master the 4CC habit, everything in the marketing, on the marketing plan is possible for you. Very important. If you master the 4CC habit and you core philosophy and lamafoni amamelayo mawukhuluma siyangiphendula. Case credits, if you master the 4CC habit and teach your team to master the 4CC habit, everything on the marketing plan is possible for you. So if you're speaking to those 10 people, you are creating 10 conversations per day with new people. You are doing product presentation for 3 people. WhatsApp or face-to-face, you are talking to 3 people every day. I'm a product. You are talking to 3 people every day in your business. We follow up 3 customers per day. We follow up 3 prospects per day. We follow up 3 team members per day. I'm telling you, this thing will be automatic. 4CC. What are the power of 4CC Diamonds? If need 3 a team in here could 4CC, needs 12 CCs. If need 3 needs 4CC is 12 CCs supervisor. We supervise. Wena uyenza 4CC wakho nama-downliner 2 nenza ama-4CC uzoba yi-supervisor, just like that. If you need 10 etimini yakho kuyenza 4CC, it's 40 CCs in 1 month. Money 10 etimini niyenza 4CC. Money Peter the following month is 80 case credit. 40 is 80. That's assistant manager, because assistant manager is 60 case credit. Uba bonus nga 10 case credit ngaphezulu. Manu 15 niyenza 4CC is 60 case credits 1 month. Man pinda for the following month ni 15. Show to when abantu about 14 niyenza 60 case credit is 120. You manager ni 120. And man ngaba 38 niyenza 4CC. You yenza more than 150 case credits. Money 38 in your team. That's level 1, your car incentive. You qualify for ever to drive. Money 53, 4CC, you qualify for a level up. If you are doing it for the first time, you level up level 2,500 case credit in 12 months. Money 105, we VIP go forever. Value nyaka 5,000. Those people are not any less than 3,000 rand. 3,000. Yeah, 300,000, sorry. 300,000 rand per month. Abantu abayenza that kind of case credit, 5,000 and more. Ngenyanga bahola ngale kwa 300,000. So my leaders, ungadlali ngama case credit. Ama case credit umqebe wakho. Ama case credit aphethe everything you need in this business. We have 2 ways of getting to manager. 120, ngokwenza 60 case credit wena ne-team yakho 1 month, 60 case credit the following month is 120 in that 2 months. I hope you are taking screen grabs ngoba ngikhuluma ngiyamuva. Please be in the habit of screen grabbing, because those are your notes. If you're not penciling down, just take screen grabs. Then they will help you to remember what we were talking about. Bona, Manu 10 niyenza that 4CC in your team. Niyenza 40 case credit. Because ungakufaka la kwa manager nayo nge 4 months, 450. 38 CCs times 4. Ungena kwa manager after 4 months. Shuthi ungangena kwa manager ni 10 niyenza 4CC. Ungangena kwa manager ni 15. 15 manu 15 etimini yakho niyenza 4CC uzongena nge 2 months. Money 10 uzongena nge 4 months. Ilula kanjalo, my leaders. Learn how to use the products, share the product, retail the product for profit, and also recruit more members and train them to use, sell, and recruit as well. That's the secret. You could achieve forever. You learn, you apply, and you teach. So we say always work with 5 key people. I use this example where I built 6 supervisors. If you build 6 supervisors, guaranteed, you are a manager in 2 months. That is why we say, become a supervisor and develop supervisors. Become a supervisor, u develop amanye ama-supervisor. Why you want to become a manager? Why manager? I-manager kuholela kahle, i-manager kuhambisa umhlaba ngama-incentive yabo Global Rally, ama-incentive yabo Eagle Manager, i-manager ngakuholela lama-bonus yabo Chairman's Bonus, i-manager ngakufaka ngabo Gem Bonus laphana ku-level yaka Sapphire Manager. Wazi bo Sapphire Manager there any extra 1% kulama bonus yabo manager. Abo manager baholela ama-manager wabo, first generation 6%, second generation 3%, and third generation 2%. Those 6, 3, and 2%, they go up na 1%. I remember Amsakuvuluvano, Umadilo, Ruvan Vegas sharing like, yo, Mangana Sapphire was shocked. Or Angat Ulona, Ukumo. The first month I buy Sapphire, yo, income me jumping 50,000. Each jump, Minang Joy, average jump 150,000, and all of a sudden, boom, 200,000. That she didn't put it in that meeting, but it's what she used to share. I used to watch her posts. She was averaging around 150 kuma post work. But now you need to put a disclaimer more share. This is not guaranteed. It's based on performance. That's the requirement. Would make people aware. It's your performance that made you earn that 150,000. She shared with us. She used to share her screenshots. And then income, boom, you could 50,000 in 1 month. But when she became a Gem Bonus qualified, that extra 1%, it made a huge difference. So these incentives is what makes a difference. But wait, if I many also enjoy my incentive, especially Chairman's Bonus. Chairman's Bonus, your aims about whether my multi-millionaires. But wait, to Chairman's Bonus will change your life. Number 1, I'm a benefit of my incentive. 67 yala baba qualify i-Eagle. I-Eagle iyaphela this month. Iyaphela this month. Le yase Sun City. The qualifiers by Sun City. This is the last month about qualify Eagle yaka 2026. I believe it terminate where we will have 2 qualifiers. So far, 2 qualified already. And look like they are going to be the only 2 who become Eagles. But no problem. The new one is starting. Once come training, besides the training about manager Friday night. School mangai. Strainana. To make sure that my 1 May you are on track to qualifying for Dubai. Trip yakone Dubai, but some announced it already, which we were in Dubai. So very important that she push. I'm a diamond. Because 67 never qualify Eagle, but they move on to qualify for Chairman's Bonus. So it's an entry level. You see to qualify for the check is the manage. When you become a manager, Luanga yoke into a fighter, who qualify for forever for Eagle, become an Eagle manager, and then start building towards Forever to Drive. Forever to Drive, yes, you are going to get extra money towards paying a car or investing the money, but it also unlocks the other benefits. You can be an Eagle without Forever to Drive, But you can't qualify for Global Rally without Forever to Drive. You can't qualify for Chairman's Bonus without Forever to Drive. You can't level up without Forever to Drive. You can't be a GLT member without Forever to Drive. So if Forever to Drive while ikunikeza imali yebo ngathenga imoto enhle kodwa i-unlocka namanye ama-incentives amakhulu. It also unlocks the bigger incentives that you cannot qualify uma ungayiqualifyanga yona. So you see people driving beautiful cars for Forever. Is that Forever to Drive? Extra money that they are making is helping them pay for these beautiful cars. If you turn the motor, qualifier for Forever to Drive, but it also puts you in line now to qualify for bigger things. Is my slide still moving? If my slides are still moving, give me a number 7 in the comment section. And if you see the Forever Global Rally slide. Ke a leboga weshu, ke a leboga France, ke a leboga Ntate Matlala, ba Limpopo ba fetotse pele ka moka. And also Sophie, ke a leboga Sister Zuma Thelma, thank you so much. Lindy Juliet, Miss Rodi, thank you, my leaders. So, to Global Rally, you are fortunate. We are hosting part of the Global Rally this year. We are hosting part of the Global Rally this year. It's Cape Town next month. It's just 2 weeks away, né? 2 weeks, am I right? In 2 weeks' time, or 2.5 weeks, we'll be in Cape Town. And I thought that we are going to have Elon. I thought we are going to have a special thing for our managers who Millionaires Day. But now I realize, it's Global Rally. When I check the diary, Millionaires Day was supposed to be on the 2nd as well. And we don't have any other date available after that. We will be in Cape Town. So, but we'll come up with another plan for the managers. Forever Global Rally, Bakwethu, you don't want to miss this event. I hope nina abanye senibhukile abangakabhuki. I don't know leadership nokubonga ukuthi ukhona lana. She was organizing something, a package to help those that budget ingavumi indaba zama-flights and stuff. She's got a very affordable package. I don't know if it's still available. I'll ask her to talk to us at the end of the training if that package is still available. Oh, it's filled up. Don't miss. I'm telling you, when you go to the Global Rally, when you come back, you understand your business better. We always say, they always told us, if you have never been to a Global Rally, you don't know your Forever business that well. You'll have the full picture the day you go to Global Rally. I know this one is not 100%, the entire Global Rally. It's just part of the Global Rally. Because of the issues that say Dubai, we're supposed to go to Dubai, where it was going to be a fully-fledged Global Rally. So this one, they even call it Global Tour, not Rally. Because now it's a divided number sections. But you're still going to see another picture. I'm telling you, when you get there, you'll come back home a different person. And starting to see your business in a different light. Over and above, you get to travel. And we're going to more qualify in the Chairman's Bonus. We were excited because we asked you, we are in a check. I check in we are in a check. We will participate in a man. About we are a million, you say Cape Town. Nothing says a Puma Chairman's Bonus for his courtesy. Manchester Ngenelis weird, Manchester Gelutis weird. We'll be getting Chairman's Bonus check every year. That's our goal. That's our plan, to work on our business to stay in that Chairman's Bonus, keep growing from level 1 to level 2. Should Manchester qualify number downline, level 2 to level 3. We want more people to come and taste these monies. And if forever could reward the effort yakho bakwethu, ayithi join kuSigodi. Ungathola icheck elikhulu kunaleSigodi if ugijima kudlula uSigodi. That's how it works. It's not a push scheme forever. True multi-level network marketing business. you get to see these wonderful places. Wasibona nonkosikazi seSingapore lapho, eDubai lana, eMadrid eSpain, Frankfurt eGermany, Athens eGreece lana, London eEngland la, Kigali Rwanda, Atlanta United States of America, Cancun eMexico. This is the lifestyle that Global Rally will give you. The ability to see the world. I-level up izokuyisa Dominican Republic. Uyobona amasimu, ufly this chartered plane, yaka forever. And get training by the executive. Utrain Abu Greg is the owner of this company. Uzoba kufundisa this business himself. Level up. Aiden O'Hare, the president, the guy running the company. Utrainwe wuye ujive naye laphana and le business lisebenza kanjani. Bahambe banibonisa ukuthi into enkulu kangakanani le business. Gary Bernal, Jean Baptiste Amicia, yibo bazoba kutrain. Bakwethu, become a manager, qualify for chairman's bonus. This is the reason why. Look, our first time, no, this was not our first time on stage. It was our first time receiving a chairman's bonus check. In Singapore, le machineni, Malaysia, 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 Singapore, Southeast Asia. We're receiving our very first check. Rex was still alive, Scott. We'll always cherish this picture because a very special check. And besabizwa chairman's bonus, besabizwa ilona, besibizwa in before, and besibizwa in chairman's bonus, chairman's bonus before, profit share, besibizwa profit share before. So Rex was still alive. But look at these diamonds. Bawuthola chairman's bonus, also we manage. Let's check 9.2 million. Ethole ama-South African. Ngomsebenzi abawenze la ekhaya eSouth Africa. This year we expect the check elikhulu lizoba close to 30 million or 30 million. Njengoba sicheck eCape Town. Must check number 1 bethu ukuthi banamasisi ayingaki. Amasisi wabo andlula lawa ayenzwe ile couple. Ngo-2019 mabathola le 24.7 million. Bona bandlule lana laba bebayenze i-20,000 case credit kulo nyaka. Laba la ekhaya bayenze 25,000 badlule nge-5,000 case credits kulo msebenzi walaba. That is why we suspect ukuthi icheck elikhulu elizoza eSouth Africa lingandlula lo 25 liye ku-30 million. This is possible for everyone. It's based on your hard work. It's based on just your performance. Talking to people every day. Being teachable. Staying humble. No more so win. Stay humble. Abanye bashintshwa imali makatala khola kahle uyashintsha ashintshele bo sponsor bakhe. You'll miss out on these big things. These big checks and get stuck in your business. GLT. Bakwethu lana, most of these people are less than $500,000. If we enter more than 7,500 case credit, short your income is around almost 600,000 per peso. Kuyangama case credit owayenzile. Very hardly you can be below 600, 700,000 rand per month. But this business is big. This business is huge. It's just that people in the business are serious. Serious. But mongathatha serious one day. Uzongibamba ngesandla wathi uShodi wazi usitshelile besingakutsheli. Be loyal to your business. Stay focused. Stay teachable. Work your business. Focus in your business. Stay in your lane. Ungawarishe ukuthi abantu bobani bayenzani ba-achieve ini. Focus ukuthi wena uyenzani ufuna uku-achieve ini. Mamela i-sponsor, mamela i-upline. Attend ama-training and learn from other successful leaders. And Love Forever, they've organized systems zokuthi noma mhlambi kulaba babuya kuma-training kuma-team ukuthi awana-ma-training like this, they are still trainings organized by the company. Bakwethu, daily routine yama-presentation i-producer this kind of figures if we are consistent. If you can just be in the habit, you're going to have one presentation per day. I need to update this. It's one present. You can average around 1,000, which is 17,000 for South African rands, 17,500. Consistently every day we have one presentation. Every day we have a group in abantu presentation or one without fail. You'll quickly average around 17,000 rand per month. You're assistant manager layer. You'll quickly move from 0 to 60 case credit per month, which will make you an assistant manager. If you want a presentation now free, consistently every day, you are likely, this is scientifically proven by experts in network marketing. Good to present every day. I present every day. Will present about 3 presentations per day. They average around 3,000. Is that 17,500 times 3? Umuntu presentela abantu about 10 every day. It's going to be that 17,000 times 17,500. 17,500 times 10. 1.75 million. 1.7 million bakwethu. There's a lot of money to be made. Actually 17,000. Say 17,500 per month. You can make that. There's a lot of money to be made. Kule business. We're going to more hotel. 1.7 million. Usebenza kahle. 1.7 million ungayihola ngenyanga. $175,000. Oh yeah, that one is a 10. 175,000. There's a lot of money to be made. 10 presentations per day, 100 is 1.75. 1.75 million per month. And this is not just your presentation, by the way. If now you have managers who are also doing presentation, they are counted on that 100 presentations per day. If you team me up young man, you have more than 100 presentations per day. Easily, you can get to that 100K US dollars per month. With those kind of figures, my diamonds, you can create lots of other businesses. You can invest in many other income generating assets. That's the goal, to create multiple sources of income, creating passive income. But if you understand the residual income, you'll go through walls to get it. Network marketing, yakhona kuzivumela ukuthi sisebenze and then invest in other income generating assets. Our job is just to dream big, set big goals, visualize our goals, have dream boards so that you can see your vision every day of what you are working towards. And Sesivala, my diamonds, let's all have this FLP 360. Let me see by show of, let's give me number 9, if FLP 360 in the comment section. All right, number 9, that QR code yakhona leyo, you can use it if you are unganayo. Let's see, abangaki abanawo FLP 360. France Mujela unaliona, Mwepe, sorry France, Mujela banonge France Mwepe, Sister Zuma unaliona, Ausi Sophie Mujela unaliona, Absalom Komu unaliona. Well done, my leaders. You see, most of you who are in this training unaliona because you are teachable. Joyce Malungana unalione. You see, people who attend trainings, most of you have FLP 360. We just have few who don't have FLP 360. Please give me number 9 if unayo FLP 360. Priscilla Mushala, and Priscilla only the pro one. She's using the ones mostly used by managers. Let's give her. She's still only an assistant supervisor, not even a supervisor yet, but she's using a pro. FLP 360 Pro. She's paying that $10 every month. Let's give a big round of applause. Fire emojis, a po in the comment section. Our Diamond, brand new Diamond. She's 3 months, I think, in the business, or 2 months in the business. Thank you, our Sophie, for the fire emojis. Kalebo Wantate, Pashele, our Thelma, our Joyce. Thank you. Oh, you too, our Joyce Leonard. She's using a pro. She's using a pro. Wow. She's very new in the business, but already use pro. You offer all the benefits. You get the links. You get everything, all the tools, the recruiting tools, the selling tools. You get them. The automatic posting, social media post tools, they are available for you, FLP Tricks. Our sister Zuma, thank you so much. Our Rato, thank you for those 5 emojis. Well done, Priscilla. Well done. We are all in agreement that you are a superstar. Let's have that FLP 360 by Diamonds and make use of it. It will help you build a business. So your calendar, Diamonds, is your boss. Today is Sunday. If you don't have appointments for this week, scheduled presentations, scheduled follow-up meetings, scheduled maybe conversations with your downlines to support them, to check on them, to coach them, and to remind them their activities. If you don't have all the activities, most of the activities planned and penciled down in your calendar or in your diary, I'm telling you, you are going to miss out. Time moves so quickly. If you don't have a proper plan, TikTok has a plan for you to entertain you. Your TV has a plan for you to keep you engaged. Your Facebook has got a plan for you. But that plan is not to your favor. It favors the owners of those platforms. They're the ones who are making money if they're keeping your eyes on that phone for hours and hours. They're making money out of your ignorance. But the more we watch, the more money they make. So fill your calendar with a lot of appointments so that you can be busy, focused on income-generating activities. And we are recruiting and growing rich. But wait, recruiting is what gives you money. When we were in Wombath supervisor convention, Kuchi the Great, she was training about recruiting. She said, recruiting is the engine of your business. I even shared, I shot a video. I shared it twice already, I think, in the groups. Recruiting is the engine of your business. You can own that Bentley, you can own that Range Rover, you can own that Mercedes-Benz, you can own that Aston Martin. But if you're not recruiting, your Aston Martin will be stuck there, it won't move. Because in this business, you cannot grow if you don't have a team. So recruiting is crucial. People who are successful is those that recruit like crazy. Anyone who can access their video yami ngithandayo ngihlala ngisharela yona ithi recruiter ngathi yahlanya. Please share it in the team WhatsApp group, that video. Just forward it in the group. If you can track it quickly, it's a recruiter, young lady. If you want to change your life, if you want to build your mother a house, if you want to have breakfast money every day, recruiter ngathi yahlanya. Recruiter, Hana Kawena. Anyone who can access that video, share it in the WhatsApp group. That is powerful. It's true what you are saying. If we want to achieve things quicker or forever, focus more on recruiting and training your people, making sure your people are winning. They are selling products, they are making money, they are recruiting and developing their own people, and their people are also making money like they make money. If you are recruiting and training, recruiting is easy. It's not simple, but easy process. We collect names, we contact the people, we show them. We do one-on-one presentation, we do Zoom presentation, we do WhatsApp presentation, we do live launch where we invite them to our homes and present for them. We invite them to big presentations like the product center presentation. If you are in Gauteng, Saturday the 18th, this Saturday's area koyona, a big presentation go product center. Kalela no invite, Kala no to encourage your team to invite, because the bigger the number you have, some are downline in that presentation, the bigger the number you have, that guest in that presentation, the more you will recruit more, the more you'll generate more CCs, the more you'll become a manager and produce more managers who are top performing and six-figure plus income earners. Sit down and plan with those people and strategize to get them to manager as soon as they join you. Tomorrow I'll be doing Lona for SADC training year orientation. Lona onboarding tomorrow 8 p.m. Invite your new people and even your old downlines, they must join. We did it on Monday for our team. I'm doing it tomorrow now for the whole SADC. So make sure that you join. You know how growth basics are so important. The speed is of essence, and recruiting is essential. Your business will grow in direct proportion to the speed at which you implement this cycle. To achieve your goals over the next 12 months, it is vital to create momentum by sharing the products and opportunity with as many people as possible. This will create the energy, excitement, and success you desire. Part-time, 2 to 5 contacts per day. So I said you need to do 10. Full time. Create 10 conversations per day. And then add more names in your who do know names, your name list. Add new people in your name, collect new people's names and numbers, and then call them to make appointments, invite them to the presentations, show them, do presentation, bring them to the product center presentation on Saturday. They will definitely sign up. Majority of people who come to that presentation, they definitely sign up. So build the structure. Please screen grab. I'm moving. We are done. Build the structure. Work with 5 key people. Just take screen grab. I keep repeating how to move to manager and beyond. Those that come to Albertine Millionaires Days, you know, I always repeat this because it's very important. Focus on recruiting and developing supervisors every month. Produce leaders, recruit, teach, coach, organize, and lead. Listen to my diamonds. Recruiter, teacher, founder, applier, and teach. Do what you want to see your team do. Lead by example. I don't just tell you to do things. You'll see that I'm in every event. Mangiti attend and we are born we are attend. Mangiti recruiter, we are born to have new people every month. Shuti, we are recruiter producer my supervisors. You're born every month or every second month I have a new supervisor. I try to produce supervisors every month. Attend all events and promote events in your team all the time. Take a register for attendance by your team in every event. I just told you we're almost more than 50, but we counted around 46, if I'm not mistaken. But there are those that we didn't see them, with those that we saw them, but we didn't know if they were coming, they were with guests or some of their downlines that we don't know. So that's why we say it's because starting register. Must attend abanye benu sinifonele iviki lonke, abanye for 2 weeks, sin encourage to come. attend all events, promote events in your team. In the WhatsApp group, how many times I was posting, posting on a list, is promoting all those things. So it's what you must copy and paste when Mao sevens and the team yakho, mawufuna team yakho we win. Uyabonile team yethu, being a senior manager is all 5 yabo manager, 6 yabo assistant manager, 11 yabo supervisor is all success day. So do this, you'll get the same results now or more. Do only activities that generate cash credit. Like product, idayisi product, and recruit. Those three, they generate CCs. Zibuya kuphi kuma-conversation, xoxa nabantu every day nge-product, xoxa nabantu nge-business. Sinikeza i-target ukuthi ngizokhuluma nabantu abawu-3 nge-product, khulume nabantu abawu-3 nge-business. Manual record your case credit while you still monitor online. Check ama-case credit every day, shada nje nokumonitora ukuthi hamba njani ama-case credit. Ubani ukuphi, mina ngikuphi, ku-4cc wami sengivalile, ku-target yami ngikuphi, lo ngimisa kwa-supervisor usewugijima kuphi. Hlala uchecka lezo zinto sizokusiza nokwazi ukuthi kumele uyenzeni ama-activities azokusiza ukuthi ukhulise lama-case credit. Spend 80% of the time prospecting and recruiting on recruiting. Okay, spend 80% of your time prospecting and recruiting, 20% on the other activities. Should investor mo isikhathi sakho so esiningi ekurecruiteni, 80% yonke isikhathi somsebenzi asifocus ekurecruiteni abantu, 20% ukuyostoka, follow up and stuff. Recruit at least 2 or more people every month. Mawufaka abantu abawu-2 or more every month, you'll become a multimillionaire at some point or forever, because uzofika la khona uba nabantu abakhona ukwenza just like wena, abanye bayenze more than wena, i-team yakho ikhula faster and you develop leaders faster. And the more volume you generate, the more leaders you have, the more bonuses you will earn, and the more top earners you'll produce. Mhlambe abanye babo bakhole nokudlula wena, because if forever akusi push. And then cancel with your sponsor, upline every month, and provide counseling for your team. Hlala phansi ni-analyze umsebenzi wakho ne-sponsor sakho, ni-plan for the next month. Ngisebenze kanjani, yini kuhambe kahle, yini engayenzanga kahle, yini nga-improve next month. Mayinyanga iphela akube wena uthinta i-sponsor, uthi sponsor please asixoxe ngomsebenzi wami. Because accountability, I think Robert okhuluma accountability, makashare experience ya guys all. Very important to account. Ikusiza ukuthi uhlale focused kuzinto ezikuyisa phambili and set goals and targets for yourself and your team every month. Ungasebenzeli emnyameni ungazi ukuthi ugijimisa yini. Ungagijimisa lutho uthola awutholi lutho futhi. Ungagijimisa lutho awutholi lutho. If you are not going after anything, you try or achieve nothing. So have a target. Ingqondo yethu powerful. Ifuna ukunikezwa i-target pen ukuthi ngisebenzela lokhu, ngigijimisa lokhu. Every month have a target ukuthi ngikhipha i-supervisor, ngikhipha 2 ama-supervisor, ngikhipha 3 ama-supervisor. Igoal yami kwenza 60 case credit. Igoal yami kwenza 100 case credit. And then keep records of your activities. Ukhulume nabantu abayingaki today ngokujoyina, ukhulume nabantu abayingaki ngama-product, ukhulume nama-team members ayingaki. Record those things so that ukhona ukubona ukuthi na uwenza wonke ama-activities esiwafundisayo. And plan, do and review. So I just told you, set monthly goals, new rank, ukuthi ufuna ukuya kweyiphi level, uya kwa-supervisor or uya kwa-manager, usebenzela ukuya kwa-manager or usebenzela i-Forever to Drive, usebenzela i-Eagle, usebenzela i-chairman's bonus, usebenzela i-global run. Know all those things. Team incentives, company incentives. Yibo labo Forever to Drive, bo Eagle manager, bo global rally, those are team incentives. I mean, company incentives. And then masithi i-so to Eagle, ukuthi sikubhadalele uye kulona ku-so to Eagle, uye bilabila. Those are team incentives. Masithi yenza lokhu nalokhu as a manager sikubhadalele ukuya Drakensberg. Those are team incentives. So Rama, the remaining parts of this year, of the year, is whatever you make of it. Go break records. As you pull a record, discussion esele salonyaka kusezandleni zakho kudependa ukuthi wena uyenzani, you can still break records and achieve everything oyifunayo. The secret is focusing on market credit, generate more CCs. So my leaders, thank you so much for spending time with me. The training learner, and I honestly believe anyone who attended this session, anyone who took those skill reps, I recorded, I'll share it in the my YouTube channel. Follow and subscribe. Kuthi mangiposta ukubona mhlambe uclick ne bell, you reminder when I post something it will tell you. Follow me on YouTube, I'm Raymond Soroji. And then I post all the trainings, not all, but some of the trainings. I post some of my presentations as well. So this training is so important. I covered almost everything. Yes, kwezinye bengidlula faster. So that discussion is cover yonke into. Engakwenza supervisor generated 10 CC this month. Engakusiza keep a supervisor so that you can become a manager. Ezokusiza qualify for all the incentives esinazo kule business. So this training is so important. Go and repeat it over and over, and we'll keep building on it. Thank you so much, my leaders, for attending tonight's session. I hope you learn something that will help you become the millionaire that you want to become and help you produce more millionaires who also come in and produce other millionaires. Ladies and gentlemen, you are very special. So many people are in the team. In our WhatsApp group, we are almost 300, but we were 25, I believe. The highest we go when I was checking were 25 out of almost 300 people in the group that we advertised this training. And it was that 25 that showed up tonight. That is why I'm saying you are extra special. That is why it's only 20% of the team that is winning. We are 300, but only 20% of the team is winning. It's those that are teachable, those that learn and go and apply. So you are very special. And I don't know if leadership